Enough Reviews. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Samsung Galaxy J3 Achieve phone. It's an Android phone, and we got the package from Amazon Prime. I'll be posting a pic there shortly, and we're going to see what comes in this package. It does come in an envelope, as you can see. So this is what you get, and you know, this is how it comes shipped, and that's it. That's all that comes in. This is how it comes in this envelope. It comes with a screen protector glass. Now it says premium tempered glass screen protector, and I'm assuming we're gonna install that on this. And of course, I already own one of these cloths. Now, I know it's pink, but, you know, it serves its purpose. So that with that cloth, you know, we'll clean it up here. We will install the screen protector. And then this is the case that comes with it. It says premium case. It comes with the holster for your belt. And, you know, the case, the rubber, and the thing here. So let me open this real quick. Okay, so we got this open, and now it's oh, this thing's taped. Okay, well, I'll get to this right now. So this is what comes in. This is basically the case, and I'm trying to do this with one hand. So this is how it comes. This is the holster for your belt, and this is the case itself that you will install. So it is rubber. This part right here is rubber. This is hard plastic right here. All this. Okay, so this also comes off, and you have this piece, and you have this piece. And of course, this is just kind of like a little prop to show you how it's going to look. So okay, let me set this on this side. Open this. I already removed the plastic. It came with this, you know, holding this together. So once you remove that, you open this, and oh, that's cool. So this already includes one of these little cloths you see here to clean your you know, your screens. They also sell them for, you know, your LCD TVs, anything that's screen basically can be cleaned with this. And you get your, trying to do this one with one hand, guys, so I'm sorry about that. You get your glass. I think that's, what is it, the tempered glass screen protector, and you get this is a kit. So let me see how you can. Okay, so this is basically just lift it off, I guess, like lift it up, I mean, up and out. Hold on, guys, I'm gonna have to put this down. This does come neatly packaged. You know, I think, you know, it came in here wrapped in this styrofoam. You know, it looks like kind of like a little case. So there you have it. And then you get your supplies included, which is the wipes, a wet one, a dry one, and I'm guessing, you know, there's some instructions on how to do this. So yeah, the instructions are back here. Of course, you just follow that. For instance, it says clean your device's screen thoroughly so no dust or lint is present. Begin cleaning by using the alcohol prep wipe, then remove all moisture with the lint free microfiber cloth. So this is pretty much, you know, simple steps. You just read them, and, you know, you go along with this. Basically, the video is mainly just so you guys can see what is included in this package, and in a way, it's a review, not a long-term review, unfortunately, but, you know, this is a review of just like an unboxing, I guess. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this. And just before doing that, you know, you have to read instructions and see what it says there. This sticker helps to remove the mask from the screen guard. So please peel off the mask with the sticker. So yeah, guys, this is what comes in this package. It is the I'll have the link below down there on the item that it goes on. It's on there. And the one thing I didn't find was a squeegee card that they mentioned, and I did not find anything of that. So I just got, like, you know, a debit card and just used it to get the bubbles out. But if you install it carefully, you know, it should go on pretty smoothly without bubbles. And now we're ready to, you know, put this in there like that, like so. And it's pretty hard doing this with one hand. So there you have it. It's on there pretty good. Now let's just try out these side buttons, see how. And it does work. That's it for today, y'all. And okay, guys, and one thing I do want to mention is this case, you cannot put the phone this way on the holster. It won't fit. So the way that this goes is this way. There you go, snaps on there. And you know, I'm guessing they did it this way so it can protect the screen. And you also have your kickstand, so you know, if you're on break or whatever, you can just lift that. Let me put this without shadow. Okay, just lift that like that, and you can, you know, use it to watch whatever videos, or, you know, just listen to music. I think that's all. That's as much as this will go. So like that. I believe it was $8.99 through Amazon Prime, so you know, you get it shipped to you pretty fast. And maybe I'll do a review on it on long-term use and see how it works out. But I mean, you know, keep in mind it is an item that is $8.99. So but other than that, I mean, it feels okay. This feels a little bit flimsy, but not too bad, you know. I mean, it's just depends how long it'll last you, depending on how you take care of it, of course. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you for stopping by, and hit that notification button, hit the like button, and stay tuned for more reviews of, you know, items I purchased throughout Amazon and anything, I guess. There's going to be reviews on maybe even dishes, you know, all that stuff, reviews and unboxings. So thank you all for stopping by. Hope you have a great day.